Answer question H. Let's continue with question H. In question H, we are to find the area of triangle AGE. This is triangle AGE, so we need this area. Now you will notice this triangle is a part of a big trapezium. This triangle is a part of this trapezium AJFE. Look at this trapezium in blue. The triangle AGE is a part of this big trapezium. And if you look at the original rectangle very well, this part is 6 centimeters. This part is what? 13 centimeters. Those are the two parallel sides of the triangle. Now, the perpendicular height, sorry, I said triangle. Those are the two parallel sides of the trapezium. Those are the two parallel sides of the what? Trapezium. Now, the perpendicular height of the trapezium, or the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, is what? 16. This is it here. Let me show you everything on the original rectangle. Let's show everything on the original rectangle. In this rectangle, I'm going to draw in red. We need the area of what? Triangle AGE. We need the area of triangle AGE. But you will notice that triangle AGE is a part of trapezium AJFE, this trapezium. So all we need to do is get the area of this yellow trapezium, get everything. Are you getting it? After getting that area, calculate the area of triangle A, calculate the area of triangle B, and subtract it from the total area of the trapezium. So what we'll be left with will be the area of this triangle. Is that clear? After removing the area of triangles A and B, we'll be left with the area of triangle AGE. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, these are the two sides of our trapezium. 6, this hole is 13. Take 7 from 13, you get 6. This side too is 4 plus 9, 13. KJ is 9. And AK is 4. So that gives us 13. So I have two sides of my trapezium, 13 and 6. I also have the, perpendicular height of my trapezium. What's the perpendicular height of my trapezium here? That's the distance between the two parallel sides, which is what? 16, as in 4, 5, and 7. You put everything together, you get 16. So 16 is the perpendicular height of my trapezium. So let's go ahead and find the area of our trapezium now. I'm going to scroll back down. The area of my trapezium will be half A plus B times H. That's what? Half times what? That's half times 6 plus 13 times 16. So that gives me what? I've drawn the trapezium here. You can see and check it again. Use that to keep an eye on it. You understand what I'm saying? Here, if you look at the shape where this side is 6, this side is what? 13. This is the perpendicular height, 16. So that clears the area of the trapezium. So half times 19 plus 16 will give me 152 centimeters squared. I'll keep that on one side, 152 centimeters squared. You now go ahead and calculate the area of the triangles. The area of the small one on the right is half base times height. My base is 7. My height is 6 centimeters. So half base times height will give us the area of this triangle A. Also for triangle B, my base is 9. Look at the base very well. My base is 9. And my height is what? 13. So half base times what? Height. Half times 9 times 13 will give me the area of that. So I get half times 9 times 13, 58.5. Half times 7 times 6 for 8, 21. So I put the two together, add to get my answer, subtract that answer from the area of the big trapezium, and I'll get the area of triangle AGE. That answers question H. Let's go to question I. In question I, we are asked to find the area of the quadrilateral the area of the quadrilateral what? BEHK. This is my quadrilateral. Let me draw in red. I need the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, I'll go ahead and maybe clean some things on this figure. I need the area of the quadrilateral what? BEHK. So let me draw BEHK. I need the area of this quadrilateral. Now you will notice that this area is in the center of a very big rectangle. It's in the center of a big rectangle. So all I need to do is find the area of this rectangle. Find the area of this rectangle. Subtraction of area will be easy for the area of this quadrilateral. So all I need to do is find the area of this big rectangle, everything, the whole shape, this big rectangle, find its area, then subtract the areas of triangles A, B, C, and D from the area of the big rectangle. I'll get what will be left in the middle, the area of the quadrilateral BEHK. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, before we even go to our calculations, you will notice area of triangle A is simple, half base times height, or half base times height. Both are perpendicular to each other. Also, the area of triangle B is very easy also. I need to get the base, so 6, 5, subtract 6, 4, subtract 10 from 16, you get 6. This place is 6, so that means my base is what? 10, and my height is what? 7. For triangle B, it will be half times 10 times 7, or half times 7 times 10. Any one of the two will give me the same answer. For triangle D, my base is what? 12. My base is what? 12. 5 plus 7. And my height is what? 6. We calculated this before as 6. So half base times height will give me the area of triangle D also. Then I'll go ahead and find the area of triangle C. That's half times 4 times 9. My base is 4. My height is 9. So let's do that now. BEHK. Let me clean everything on the diagram. Let's go ahead and find the area of quadrilateral BEHK. So area of quadrilateral what? BEHK. Area of quadrilateral BEHK. Don't forget, we said it was part of a big rectangle. I think I made that neat enough. So let me put my labels. BEHK. I need this area in the middle. So let me try and put my letters now. Okay, I think this is A, this is D. Am I right? Let me check. Let's just do the working together. Okay, A, B, D, F, H, J, K. Okay, A, B, D, E, F, H, J, K. So let's now put the dimensions. This is 4, this is 9. We got this as 6. This was what? 5 somewhere here, 7 somewhere here. So this is 12. Altogether, this base will be 12. So I think we got this as 6 somewhere here, then 4 somewhere here. So this will be what? 10 also. This is what? 7. This was 9. This was 4. This was 9. This was 4. And this was 6. So everything is complete now. Let's now go ahead and figure out our answer. Area of what? Area of quadrilateral. Let me just shorten it. BEHK. Area of quadrilateral BEHK is equal to area of rectangle. I hope I'm not making this look like a square. Area of rectangle AD. Let me put sides so it can be clearer. Area of rectangle ADFJ minus the sum of area of triangles. Let's just use letters for our triangles, so we won't have to define too much. Triangle A, triangle B, okay, triangles, okay, what color we do? Let's use orange. Triangle A, triangle B, triangle C, and triangle D. Okay, let's continue. It doesn't matter where C was or D was before. So plus the area of triangles A plus triangle B plus triangle C plus triangle D. So that's all we need to find the area of our quadrilateral. So let's go ahead and do this together. We'll take it one at a time. Let's take it one at a time. What's the area of rectangle ADJF? Area of rectangle, okay, let me try and be as neat as possible. Area of rectangle ADFJ is what? That's 13 by 16 is what? Length times breadth, which is 16 centimeters for length, then 13 centimeters for breadth. You multiply to get your answer. That solves the problem there. Let me try and do it once and for all. 16 times 13 16 times 13 is 208. So that's 208 centimeters squared. You keep that in mind. Let's now find the area of each triangle. Triangle A is what? Half base. Area of triangle A is half base times height. That's half times 6 times 4 centimeters. Please, let's follow along together. Half times 6 times 4 here. So that gives us what? What does that give us? That gives us 12 centimeters squared. So let's do area of triangle B. Area of triangle B is also half base times height. That's half times. What's the base of triangle B? The base of triangle B is 10 here, and the vertical height is what? 7. If you like, you can take this as the base and take this as the perpendicular vertical height. You understand? This one, any one of the two can be base or height. So that gives us what? Half times 10 times 7. Half times 10 times 7 is 5 times 7, 35 centimeters squared. Let's go for area of triangle C. Let me try and leave enough space. Area of triangle C is also half base times height. Half base times height here is half times the base is 12, as you can see, 12 here. The height is what? 6, as you can see. So half times 12 times 6, half times 12 centimeters times 6 centimeters. That's what? 36 centimeters squared. Then area of triangle D is also half base times height. Half base times height for triangle D is half times the base is what? Let's check. Remember that. Let's check the base. Okay, here the base is 4. The base is 4 here, and the height is what? 9. So half times 4 times 9 will give us the area of triangle D. Half times 4 centimeters times 9 centimeters. So that gives us what? 18 centimeters squared. Therefore, area of quadrilateral, let me write it in full this time. Area of quadrilateral BEHK is equal to area of the rectangle is equal to what? Area of the rectangle is equal to area of the rectangle. What did we get for the area of the rectangle? 208 is equal to 208 centimeters squared minus the sum of area of triangle A. What's the area of triangle A? 12. B, 35. C, 36. 12 centimeters squared plus 35 centimeters squared plus 36 centimeters squared plus what? 18 centimeters squared. If you put all of this together, you get 208 centimeters squared minus 208 centimeters squared minus what? 18, 12 plus what? 35 plus 36 plus 18, 101. 208 centimeters squared minus 101 centimeters squared gives you what? 208 minus 101 gives me 107 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the quadrilateral BEHK. Take note of how we use subtraction of areas to get the accurate answer for that question. Then lastly, we have to find let me check the question. We have to find the area of what? Triangle CJK. We have to find the area of triangle CJK here. I'm trying to make this bold so that you can see the question well. So let's go ahead and do it together. CJK. Okay, here, question J says we should find the area of triangle CGK. Am I looking at CGK or CJK? Okay, CGK, sorry. Excuse me, this is CGK, not CJK. So, for the area of triangle CGK, the first thing is to trace the triangle on the diagram. Let's trace the triangle together on the diagram. CGK. Let me clean everything I've drawn on the diagram here. And let's trace triangle CGK. Where is triangle CGK here? This is C. Where is G? Okay, CG. Let me try and do that one. Triangle CGK. Oh, my line keeps dancing. Triangle CGK is here. Triangle CGK. This is triangle CGK. So, if I want the area of this triangle, I think this is also very simple. I think triangle CGK is a part of a trapezium. Look at the trapezium I can see around CGK. This is a trapezium. So, if I can get the area of this trapezium, if I can get the area of that trapezium, look at the trapezium that is flashing. Let me make that trapezium flash. Let me try and make this trapezium flash. If I can get the area of this trapezium, and subtract the area of these three triangles A and B. Okay, two triangles I have there. If I can subtract the area of these two triangles from the area of the full trapezium in yellow. Look at this trapezium. Look at this trapezium in yellow. 3, 4. If I can, get the area of this trapezium in yellow and subtract the area of these two triangles A and B from it, I'll get the area of triangle CGK. So all I need to do now is, what are the sides of my trapezium? There's one side here that's parallel to this side. So, and this is 6. We found this before as what? 6. So, the two parallel sides of my trapezium are 12 and what? 12 and what? And 9. So, I have two parallel sides of my trapezium, 12 and 9. Then, area of triangle ACK, this triangle. Area of triangle ACK. This is the area of triangle ACK. Area of triangle ACK will be half base, which is 12, times height, which is 4. Half base times height, that's half 12 times 4. Can you see those lines as I'm showing you? Area of triangle B also, which is the area of triangle KJG here. KJG. Area of triangle B will be half base, which is 9, times height, which is also 9. So let's go ahead and find the area of our quadrilateral. The area of our triangle, CGK. So let me draw my triangle. Okay, I want to make it simple. This is triangle CGK. This is triangle CGK. I think K is somewhere in the middle. This is triangle C. This is triangle CGK. This is triangle CGK. So the trapezium around triangle CGK is now here. Okay, that shouldn't be that long. So this is the trapezium. So I have two parallel sides of the trapezium. This side is 12. Okay, let me use a color. This side is 12. This side, what did I say the other side was? Let's check together. That side is 12. Okay, the base side, JG, is 4 plus 5, 9. This side is what? 6. This is 6. So 6 plus 6, 12 for this side, then 9 for this side. Then the vertical height between them is 13. I hope you note that. So let's quickly trace it together. 12, 9 for this side, then this vertical height is what? 13 centimeters. So area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half open bracket A plus B times H. Now here, half open bracket A plus B times H will give us half open bracket 9 centimeters plus 12 centimeters times what? Vertical height, 13 centimeters. That gives you 1/2 times 21 centimeters times 13 centimeters. So 1/2 times 21 centimeters times 13 centimeters. That's 136.5. That's what? 136.5 centimeters squared. Let's keep that as the area of our trapezium. Let's now find the area of triangle. Let's find the area of triangle A here. Oh, let me try. Write in green. Triangle A, triangle B. Triangle B has dimensions 9. This is J. 9 by 9. This place is 9. KJ is 9. So let me go ahead and draw that out. Triangle B is 9. 9. This is triangle B. 9, 9. Centimeter. Then triangle A is what? Triangle A is what? 12. Then 4 centimeters. Triangle A is 12 by 4. Let's check that together again. Triangle A should be 12 by 4. Okay, I can see it now. 12 by what? 4 for triangle A. 12 by 4. Then triangle B is what? 9 by 9. So take note of that. We'll find the area of the two triangles and subtract it from the area of our trapezium. So area of triangle A, let's do that together. Triangle A. The area of triangle A is half base times height, which is half times what? Half times 12 centimeters times 4 centimeters. Anyone can be base or height as long as they are perpendicular. That's what? 24 centimeters squared. Also, area of triangle B is half base times height, which is half times 9 centimeters times 9 centimeters. So that's what 40.5 centimeters squared. So the area of triangle CGK that we need is what? The area of triangle CGK that we need is area of trapezium minus area of triangle A plus area of triangle B. So that will give us what? 136.5 centimeters squared minus what? 24 centimeters squared plus 40.5 centimeters squared. So that gives 136.5 centimeters squared minus 24 plus 40, 64.5 centimeters squared. Take note of that addition. 136 minus 64, 136.5 minus 64.5. That gives what? 72 centimeters squared. So the area of triangle CGK is what? 72 centimeters squared. So take note of how we have treated each one in steps. This is a very simple question. If you look at the steps, well, our triangle is in the middle of a what? In the middle of a trapezium. So we get the area of the trapezium, we get the area of the whole trapezium, then subtract the area of this triangle and this triangle from it to get what is left, which is the area of triangle CGK. That ends our examples from this shape. Your classwork will be at the beginning of the next video.